Where's your mama, baby bird? Huh? Where's your mama? Where's your mama? The cat is gonna get you. The cat is gonna smell you. Okay? You gotta stay hidden. Okay? You gotta stay hidden, baby birdie. Alright? Alright. You're not scared of me, that's not good. When the cat comes, meow, meow, you run, okay? Alright. Okay, you go ahead. You hide in there. It's okay. So I'm strapping up to attack this yard. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be rough, but I gotta get it done before the sun comes up because it gets super hot. And she's not doing clothes today so that I can get the grass done, you know, the house helper. So welcome to 62 to Freedom. Just menial duty. Menial labor today. Getting my steps today. I ain't closed the ring on my iPhone yet for my steps. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna do it today. Peace. So I know that y'all don't want to see me cut the grass. So I don't want to cut the grass. But I just thought I'd give you a before and after. Why it's important to cut the grass. Because of how it looks. It's enjoyable to look on the yard. I know y'all have experienced that before. Some people like the smell of grass, but I don't, you know. I have pollen allergies, so I don't like the smell of grass. So here's a before. I'm standing even with this tree right here and along the edge of the bathroom right here. So you see out there how bad it looks. I've been neglecting the yard. You can see over there too. And I already cut this right here. And I'm gonna move this banana tree over so I can get under here. And then when I finish cutting the grass, I'm gonna mulch. Let me go get my phone and put it in my pocket. Because that's how it tells you took a step. There. All right. Get back with you. Check all these purple butterflies. They're everywhere. There's a yellow one too, but they're little. See, there's a couple over here, 3 or 4. There's 3 or 4 more over here. I mean, they're thick. They're thick here. Look. Anywhere I point, I will point over here. There you see them. Wow. How about right here? Got a 5 zoom on, so they ain't scared of me neither. Huh. I mean, there's a lot of them, man. Guess that's a good thing about letting the grass grow. The butterflies get to eat some pollen. I didn't think about that. Should I cut the grass? Go to a flower garden, purple butterfly. Yeah, watch this. The other one was a lot more, but that one looked good. Oh, an ant is carrying an egg. Okay. Like inside my house that I let them stay there. It's not, I call them lizards, but they're really geckos. But I just saw a real lizard. I don't know where he went. He came up out of there and went over this way. He looked completely different. Darker and maybe blue. and faster. He saw me, so that's why he ran. Oh, the sun will get to you. All right. Grace, give me some water. I done lost a lot of water just sweating. Alright. So, I'm turning red. I don't think that's from the sun. Alright. Back to work. Whip me in the shade. So, it's easy to get overcome by the heat here. I didn't get overcome by it, I just felt it coming. It's not too far away, so I know I gotta get in the shade, cool down, get some more water. This is my third one. And I drank a little too fast, I got a little queasy in my stomach. You know, because you're not supposed to drink it super fast. I know that, but I was super thirsty. Well, it's a beautiful day. You know, I'm on my way back to Iloilo to get my stitches out, you know, where they put the posts into my, they put the posts into my implants where they did the bone grafts at. So I'm on the road by myself because my appointment was 1 o'clock. There's nothing else we can really do. And my daughter gets car sick. So she's not going to enjoy a 4-hour ride, 4 to 5 hour ride, then a 4 to 5 hour ride back. More like 4. It's more like 4. Because I left at like 10 minutes till 8. So we'll see. We'll see when we gonna. About a quarter to 8. Call it a quarter to 8. I think it was 13 or 14, something like that. Anyway. I'm gonna get the stitches out, hop back in the car, 4 hours back. Fun in the sun. That's the only bad thing about, you know, I'm in an outlying area, you know, not in a big city. I'm a fool for the city. Nah, I'm a country boy now. You know, I was born in the city though. Hampton Roads. It's a city. The 7 cities all connected together. Portsmouth, Norfolk, Hampton, Newport News, Virginia Beach, Suffolk, and Chesapeake. That is the 7 cities of Virginia, Hampton Roads. So I left at 10 till 8, and then I got here at 11:30. So 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah. 3 hours and 40 minutes. That's gonna make good time. And I got here early, so hopefully I can get this done early and I don't have to be in the dark on the way home by the end. I don't like driving at night. So. Anyway, it's the doctor's office. Dentist's office. It's peaceful. Oh, actually, a customer just left right before. You know, I came and they were working on a customer. So we got customers. Wow, what a cloud, man. Dang. Anywhere else you'd think that was going to be a tornado, right? Look at this tricycle going way under the freaking speed limit. They don't care. They just don't care if they're going slow or not. They even got stickers on the back of their tricycles. I can stand still. In the middle of the road. They're talking about in the middle of the road. I can just park right in the middle of the road. That's what they're talking about. Anyway, I don't get upset about it. Just, I don't know. They need a minimum speed limit. You know, these tricycles, those are 150 Hondas, most of them. They could go 100 miles an hour. They just only go 3 miles an hour sometimes. You know, the real old guys, they just go like 3 or 4 miles an hour. A little bit more than walking speed sometimes. These here were going like 20 miles an hour, 15 or 20 miles an hour. But sometimes they go below walking speed. never go below walking speed. Because I just want to get where I'm going. Look at this like candy cart coming. It's going head on into traffic right now. All right, anyway, this is my turn. Well, anyway, I wanted to just look at that cloud. I don't think they don't have tornadoes rarely around here. Only during a typhoon, maybe. No tornadoes just pop up without a typhoon. I'm not positive about that, but that's what somebody told me anyway. Seems like there could be, but there's too many mountains on these islands. You know, I doubt if there could be tornadoes going up and down over the mountains. It might be a brief like twister thing, but before it gains power, it probably gets killed by the mountain. He's gonna learn how to fly. Yeah, let me have it. Oh, the baby. Wait a minute. Oh, the baby bird in my yard. Hey, baby bird. Oh, where's your mama? Where's your mama, baby bird? Huh? Where's your mama? Where's your mama? The cat is gonna get you. The cat is gonna smell you. Okay? You gotta stay hidden. Okay? You gotta stay hidden, baby birdie. Alright? Alright. You're not scared of me, that's not good. When the cat comes, meow, meow, you run, okay? Alright. Okay, you go ahead. You hide in there. It's okay. It's okay, baby bird. You okay? You all right in there? I don't see you no more. Oh, yeah, you're good camouflage. Yeah, good camouflage. I don't see you at all. Good job, baby bird. You good luck. Good luck. You know, I gotta let nature take its course. Watch out for the meow meow. Don't fall for that. Wow. I don't know where he was born at. George said he saw a nest in the talaside tree up there. Hopefully the parents will come and chirp. I saw them eating, I saw some birds like that eating seeds along here from where I cut the grass yesterday. But, oh, that was quick to, what the heck? Oh no, I don't know what that mark means. Wow, where I drug the coral here is still going down there, see it? Wow, that was a couple days ago. I've been marked. My neighbor's been marked over there too, see? Right in between there, oh yeah, there's a mark. I think they're just measuring fishing line or something like that, measuring the depth so they can put like a piece of tape on it and they could tell how deep they were when they caught such and such a fish. Well, hopefully the bird's okay. I would take it in, but my wife don't like birds. And I've had several birds in my life. One time I taught a bird how to say, "Who's your daddy?" Man, that was a cool bird. It was a cockatiel, but it had an albino father and a cinnamon mother. And It was all yellow on its back, with orange circles on its ear, and all underneath of it was white as a t-shirt. I taught it how to say, "Who's your daddy?" And I also taught it how to go, "Na na 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 na." If you went up to its cage, it would go, "Na na 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 na," when you, oh. What is that, a spider? How's that spider hanging up there, man? What the heck? Huh. There's a spider web. There's a spider floating in the air. What the hell? How does he got a thingy right there? Wow. I don't know if you can see that. You cannot, because it's so little and gnats in there. There's a spider web just floating right there. How could a spider connect over there with over here? That was weird. Look, there's the spider right there. I don't know, can you see him? There he is, see him? Look, he's climbing way up there. How do you get a web up there, man? Flying spiders. Dang, George, look at this. Oh, I'm gonna go. Yeah, I forgot about the baby bird. I'm gonna go put the lights on out there for it. So that it won't be scared too much. What's up, baby bird? I found a baby bird in the yard today. Me and George. It was so cool. I'm just gonna flick the switch right here. That's it. I should have put the switch upstairs, but you know, in case I forget it when I go to bed, I wanted to put it right there. My bedroom is right next to that. Hi. Hi. Oh, I think my wife is here.
Hey, good evening.
Hey, good evening. What's going on? Charcoal?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. You need light down there?
Yeah.
Okay, I will go put it on. 1 minute. So the lights are on. For the baby bird, for the baby bird. Yeah, the baby needs a night light, man. The baby needs a night light. That's how 62 rolls. Even gives the baby birds a night light. I'll give you a night light too. Yeah, I do it. I'll do it.